Welcome to Photoshop Quickies. Kind of a misnomer with this one because this is something I prefer to do in Lightroom rather than Photoshop. Regardless, today we're going to fix our verticals and make them perfect. Let's see how. Here we are in Lightroom. The easiest thing to do is to just go down here and hit Auto. And Lightroom does what it thinks is needed to correct the verticals. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's a little off. The best way and the most accurate way is instead to use guided and pick vertical lines that you find on as far to the left and as far to the right as possible within your image. I think our best line here of something that should be vertical is that seam along the cabinets right there. So there, that should be 100% vertical. Cabinets you can usually trust too. Cabinet guys are real specific about making sure that they're getting things that are correctly vertical. On the right, there's a lot of different things we can pick here. I'm going to pick the door frame because we've got good contrast between the light and the dark, and that's going to make it easy to find at the top and the bottom. So we grab the top, grab the bottom, and there we go. That's all it needed to be completely vertical. Well, as you can see, it's pretty easy to do and pretty darn fast. If it doesn't look right to you though, pick a different vertical. That's the best advice I can give you. I hope you learned something. If so, like and subscribe. I know that gets really boring, doesn't it? But yeah, it really does help out the channel. Anyway, I hope your next shoot is your best shoot.